gonna make it. So we're gonna take this. First, we have to peel it. Number one. First, we have to peel it.
Open.
That's my sister. You just have to take this white bit off. Yeah, you have to like twist it all. And then you have to bang it. But we did it. There's chocolate inside it.
It's vanilla.
No.
Cinnamon.
There's cinnamon inside it. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. Hey, we used to eat this, remember? I wish I could like.
Come on.
I want to do it. Okay, we're gonna use a knife to cut it.
Careful. How many? 6.
Yeah. Okay, so we are gonna cut all of these bits like that.
Okay, let's do it.
Sticky and light. That bit's like that, so
Let's put them on the baking tray.
I can't stand up. Papa.
That's it.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna put them in the oven.
Can I put them in the oven?
Now it's hot.
No, can I use a glove, like an oven glove? Papa, I want to do 2. Only the rubber glove. Okay, let's gonna use this rubber glove today. Hello, that's a bit young. Okay, so I'm gonna help my dad off off the side because he's holding the camera. I hope I don't burn myself. That's close. But does it feel hot in here?
And now we're gonna wait.
For how much? Oh, I can't wait to try it. So now we're gonna work on this. Now we're gonna work on this white thing, white powder.
The sugar.
Sugar. Okay, now we're gonna open the sugar and wait.
Meantime, we're gonna do the icing sugar. Put this in there.
And now what?
Hang on, you need to do it right.
Now can I just taste it a little? Now my dad's just gonna take the cinnamon rolls out.
Yeah.
Whoa! Look, they actually changed size and flavor.
And color.
Yeah, like crispy brownie. And now we're still mixing this up because I didn't mix it a lot.
Is it ready?
I think so. Let's get it. Why?
Let me look.
Why sorry? Why is sorry? lot of it. I want to mix it, okay? My dad's mixing it. Edgy hero.
You ready?
Yeah, I want to
This
do
looks
it.
delicious.
I want to do it. I like that one because it's red.
Pour it on from the top. Mmm.
And did I do good?
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And comment down below in my video.